the simplest method of welding two pieces of metal together known as pressure welding. Now the question is, ma'am, is together a redundant word? What is the meaning of the word redundant? It means unnecessary. Okay, so is together a redundant word? Yes, it is the redundant word over here. Why is it a redundant word? Because together, wielding itself means join something together. So we will not use two words of the same type in one statement. Okay, the simplest method of wielding two pieces of metal, it should be, there is no need of together. And this is not the problem from the, I don't know, there should be an is known as, is missing. Alright, so the error is in option number B if there is an is already. Okay, is known as pressure welding. What you have to do, you have to spot the error or identify the error. Okay, so in what could be good news for lakhs of taxpayers, the income tax department will now process and send refunds in short time of 7 to 10 days. Okay, now I think the error, okay, is there any error? Let's look at part by part. Is there any error in the first statement? In what could be good news? This is absolutely right. Okay, it talks about this is something that is of a good news to the public. So now what they have to do for lakhs of taxpayers. So who is it good news for? For lakhs of taxpayers. This is correct. The income tax department, what is the good news? The good news is the income tax department will now process and send. It will process and send what? Refunds in short time. Okay, there is a word missing, in a short time, or in a short span of time, or in a short duration of time, or in a short period of time. So the error is in option number D. There's an article missing over there. Refunds in a short period of time of 7 to 10 days. In short period of time. In short time is not the, yes. In a short time, or within, like you said, within a short time, not in a short time. Okay, yes. So it can also be that in, you can replace in with within short time of 7 to 10 days. So clearly the error is in option number D. Please explain part A. In what could be good news? Okay, in what could be good news? Okay, so this could be a good news. What is the meaning of the sentence? In what? Okay, in what talks about the content. So the content that we are going to discuss further, it could be in that content. Okay, it could be a good news. It is talking about possibility of being a good news, be good news. Okay, so that is the meaning. It is in what could be. So this is a phrase which means in this content, the possibility of something being. Okay, so we can also use in what could be a bad news for the employees the CEO of the company has decided to sack few employees, or to let go of few employees. Okay, so this is how we use in what could be written and understood as in a good news for lacks of. It could be rewritten and understood. Okay,